So you've just gotten your Supacolor transfers in the mail and you can't wait to get started. But when you press your first one, this happens. Don't worry, in this video you'll learn how to troubleshoot common problems with Supacolor transfers so you get the perfect press every time. So you've already checked your bag for pressing instructions and set up your heat press for time and temperature, but there's one more thing to do. You need to set up your pressure. On a manual heat press, you'll need to tighten the knob until you can no longer get your heat press closed. Then at a half turn at a time, loosen your heat press until you can finally get it closed. This is the pressure that you're going to want to use to press Supacolor transfers. When you're pressing Supacolor onto smaller items or sleeves, make sure you're pressing them in the middle of your heat press to ensure there is even pressure. Garments with thick seams like hoodies can be a little tricky, but you're going to want to use a firm pressing pad underneath the area of your transfer. This will help get it up above those seams. Now you're going to want to readjust your pressure once you do this, again using the same technique as before. Any seams can get in the way of your transfer getting even pressure. Now, a lot of beginners mess up how they peel their transfers, and they peel them too slow. For Supacolor transfers, you have about 2 seconds from the time your press comes up to completely peel your transfer. You're going to want to grab your garment with one hand to hold it down. Then with your other hand, grab one corner of your transfer and peel it to the opposite corner. Again, you have 2 seconds to completely peel your transfer. Let's see if we can fix the transfer that we messed up at the beginning of this video. So the first time, this transfer was not peeled fast enough. All you're going to need to do is a 4-second repress and then peel from a different corner than the one you tried before. Again, you have 2 seconds to completely peel your transfer. And that is how to troubleshoot the most common issues with Supacolor transfers. With these tips and a little practice, you should be getting the perfect press every time. If you made it this far in the video, thanks for watching. Give this video a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.